All right, we do have a winter weather advisory. This is into Tuesday for the southern Red River Valley through Lakes Country and into the Arrowhead of Minnesota. But there's some wintry weather taking place right now along Highway 2 and points north. Here's a look at the Drayton DOT cam there on Interstate 29. Some horizontal flakes flying. And there's not been significant reports of snowfall today. It's that wind causing blowing and drifting and then an icing of road surfaces. And this is a live, albeit a blurry look right now at our Dakota Magic Casino cam. Having trouble focusing on the lights. Those flags out there showing some robust winds down in the southern Red River Valley. 12 degrees right now out at Hector. Our wind starting to taper off a little bit. In fact, this is one of the quieter hours we've enjoyed throughout the day, and our temperature actually boosting up 1 whole degree over the last hour. Many of us right around that 10-degree reading as we have uniform temperatures, and our winds are from the south and southeast. That usually brings warmer air our way. Where you see the arrows here is where we have some stronger winds gusting still over 20 miles per hour in Fergus Falls. So if you're traveling in the Southern Valley, certainly still some blowing and drifting of snow and slippery conditions. Here's the radar, very active from just off to the east of the Devil's Lake Basin into Grand Forks and right through Crookston and into the Bemidji area right now. Now, this is not heavy snowfall, but we are seeing some more concentrated bands. All this is moving to the north. And reports from the Grand Forks area of about an inch on the ground there as well, 3/4 of an inch to an inch, and the snow continues as we head into the evening hours. Our Southern Valley seeing a break right now, but we're not finished yet. Another wave of snow is expected to develop from this activity in South Dakota, spreading along the South Dakota border as we head through our evening. Let me show you that on our hour-by-hour forecast. Our model not picking up that band of snow too well up here. As we go through the next couple of hours, though, that is expected to diminish briefly. Our break from the snowfall could be over as early as 10 o'clock tonight in the Southern Valley as that next band sets up, with energy moving in from the southern and central plains. This snow, I paused it at 1 o'clock in the morning in case you are out walking the iguana or traveling. There is going to be moderate snow that continues through the overnight hours in the valley and points into northern Minnesota, but not as much snowfall expected up in the Devil's Lake Basin and points north and east of there. By morning, most of the snowfall will be gone. Temperatures won't be far from where they are right now. Not expecting a lot of morning wind, but some of us may have some snow to shovel. More on the snowfall amounts here in just a second, but temperatures tomorrow will peak in the teens as we'll see almost steady temperatures throughout the day. The wind won't be too bad, so hopefully road conditions will improve, but certainly there will be slippery spots, some clearing and cooling into your Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Snow totals, including this morning's round and then the round overnight, we could have some reports of 3 to 6 inches, maybe isolated with even a little bit more than that from the Central Valley into parts of Minnesota where that winter weather advisory is. 1 to 3 inches, though, will be a very good bet for many across the Southern Valley with hardly anything in Devil's Lake Basin and points north and east. 10 to start your day, only modest improvement of temperatures. Our snowfall potential tomorrow will be all but over by daybreak. Your hometown temperatures showing everybody between that 10 and 15-degree mark for your afternoon, including a 14-degree day in Bemidji and a snowy scene here in Rocher. Charlie, thanks for uploading that beautiful outdoor photo. Here's a look at your planning forecast. More good news if you love wintry weather. After a breezy 21 on Wednesday, that'll be the warmest we get, because we're on our way down to 22 to 30 below on Friday morning as another Arctic air mass pays a visit to the valley. And then another round of snow as we close out the weekend and begin next week, much like this week.
This is our break right here in the next couple days.
I guess, yeah. 22 on Wednesday. You might want to enjoy that.
Yeah,
so.
we will.
Okay.
Thanks, Touch.